Hello dear learners, this is Dr. Sedhupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore.
Now we are going to discuss about data types and constants in C programming language. So the data types refer to an extensive system used for declaring variables or functions of different types before its use. The type of variable determines how much space it occupies in storage and how the bit pattern stored is interpreted. Here is the classification of data types of C. Basically, there are four major categories of data types. First one is basic, second one is derived, third one is user defined, and fourth one is valueless or void. In basic type, there are four subcategories, namely int, char, float, and double. In derived type, there are three categories, namely array, pointer, and function. And user defined function, there are three categories, struct, union, and enum. And whereas in valueless, there is a type called void, which consists of no specific type. A variable declared to be of type int can be used to contain integral values only, that is, values that do not contain decimal places. A variable declared to be of type float can be used for storing floating point numbers, which is values containing decimal places. The double type is the same as type float, only with roughly twice the precision. The char data type can be used to store a single character, such as a letter A, the digit character 6, or a semicolon. Similarly, a variable declared char can only store character type value. There are two types of type qualifier in programming language C. Number one is size qualifier, which is short and long, and another one is sign qualifier, which is signed and unsigned. Here is the size and range of the different data types on a 16-bit machine is given below. The first column represents the basic data type, second column represents the type with qualifier, third column represents the memory space, and the last column represents the range for the data values. For char or signed char, the memory is 1 byte and the range varies from -128 to 127. Whereas unsigned char memory size is 1 byte, range is from 0 to 255. For int type, int or signed int, the memory size is 2 byte. The values ranges from -32,768 to 32,767. Whereas unsigned int, memory space is 2 byte. The values ranges from 0 to 65,535. For sortint or signed sortint, memory space is 1 byte. Values ranges from -128 to 127. For unsigned sortint, memory size is 1 byte. The values ranges from 0 to 255. Longint or signed longint, memory size is 4 byte. The values ranges from -2147483648 to +2147483647. For unsigned longint, memory space is 4 byte. The values ranges from 0 to 42949672 to 95. For float, the memory space is 4 bytes. The values ranges from -3.4 into 10 to the power -38 to +3.4 into 10 to the power +38. For double data type, the memory size is 8 bytes. The value ranges from 1.7 into 10 power -308 to 1.7 into 10 power 308. For long double, memory space is 10 bytes with the ranges from 3.4 into 10 to the power minus 4392 to 1.1 into 10 to the power 4932.
Thank you so much, dear learners. I would like to catch you in the upcoming event. Thank you once again.